In this video, I want to show you how to set up menus in WordPress. So we'll use this site as a sample. So we have this site, and in the top right hand corner we have our menu. So we have tea and all recipes and a little arrow pointing down from each one. So we have all these subcategories or these sub pages under the main menu item. The main menu item is tea, and we hover over it. We have other pages or sub items. So in this case, we have tea, history, glossary of tea terms and reference under tea, and then under all recipes, we have all the recipes, and we even have sub items. So for example, under all recipes, under desserts, we have cookies and shortbread. Aren't cookies shortbread? Anyway, I want to show you how to do that. So if we go to the dashboard for WordPress and we look at the menu. So where do we find the menu? On the left hand side, we go to appearance, we click on appearance, and then we scroll down, we click on menus. So once we get to menus at the top, the tab edit menu, we need to choose the menu that we want to edit. So the menu on the top, usually the menu at the top of your page is the primary menu. So we're going to select a menu to edit. So I'm going to select main menu, and in brackets it says primary, and then you just hit select. So it looks like that menu is already there, selected. And if we scroll down, it says menu structure on the left hand side. It says add menu items, so we can choose from pages, posts, custom links, or categories. So categories would be the categories for our blog posts. Posts would be the actual blog post itself. Pages are actual web pages we've created. So the idea here is you just click on one of these items, whether it's a page or a post. You can also create custom links. We won't get into that just yet, or categories, and then we just add them to the menu. So for example, let's add a page. So hungry looks like a good page. So I put a little check mark beside hungry. I'm going to click add menu, and then looks like it's done something. So let's scroll all the way down to the menu, and there you go. It says hungry. So let's click save menu. I think it's saving. Yes, it's saving. It takes a bit of time. And now let's go back to our main page, our home page, and there you go. If you look at the top right hand corner, we do indeed see we have an extra menu item, hungry. Then we have tea, all recipes, which were there before in the menu, and hungry. So we added a new menu item. All right, so next, how do we add these sub items under the primary menu item? So let's go back to our dashboard and the menu structure. So if we look at our main menu structure, notice we have tea. That was our first menu item, and then indented under tea we have tea, history, glossary of tea terms of reference. So all those pages are under, or menu items are sub menu items under tea, because they're all indented and are all under tea. Now let's look at all recipes. So all recipes is not indented, it's at the same level as tea, and underneath we have all these menu items that are indented, so they're all under that primary menu item, all recipes. If you look under desserts, cookies and shortbread are indented slightly, and so they are sub items of desserts. So that's how we get our sub items of a menu. Now, how do we do that indenting? Actually, we just grab onto a menu item and we just pull it to wherever we want. So let's see if we can move beef. Oh, that's not working. Okay, so let's end the video here, and then I'll show you how to create sub items and how to change sub items so they're not sub items anymore in a menu.